I lived in Antarctica for almost 10 months now. My friends always ask, what does real life look like here? So today, I'm sharing my Sunday right in the middle of blizzard. It might be a little bit different from what you think. I'm not used to vlog. It's my first vlog in my life, so I feel very awkward. And yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's go. Weather forecast said there will be no wind today, but looks like that's not the true. There's our gym over there. So I had an injury on my knee back in like almost 10 years ago, but it keeps coming back, and because it's not warm all the time here, I mean it's mostly cold, so I need to protect my knee with the knee sleeves. Man, I think I get trapped here in the gym. The weather is getting more intense outside. Maybe I should keep training until the blizzard is gone. We have a bench and some weightlifting machines, bodybuilding machines I say, mirror, and I brought my CrossFit gears, barbell, medicine ball, and kettlebells and dumbbells, ring, and boxes and rowing machine, and plates. I took it from Korea, which is good. But in the morning, I'm just gonna run quickly. It's 8:50, so I gotta go back to the main building. But the thing is, it's all snowy and windy. Oh, it's okay. No, it's not. Okay. By the way, good thing about training in Antarctica is that when you finish training, like, you get warm inside but cold outside. It's a great feeling. If you know, you know. It feels like when you finish the sauna and come outside in the cold winter. Alright, I wish the wind doesn't get stronger today. First, I gotta go shower first before breakfast, and yeah, I feel like dirty now. Every time I go out, it gets snowy and it's got all wet. Shower room, 24 hours available. By the way, one good thing about living in Antarctica is that you get supplies for everything, including this shaving cream and everything, and also shower gels and everything. So you don't have to spend money on small things. I mean, you don't actually spend money at all, which is good. I mean, I cannot even go to the convenience store. Okay, I'm gonna go shower and come back. Now I feel very fresh after shower. Gonna eat breakfast now. but weather is going crazy. I mean, I was supposed to do some ice bucket challenge today. That's why I care about the weather, but I'm not sure whether I can do ice bucket outside today. We'll see. So what I usually eat for breakfast, we have all these instant food, ramen and canned food and everything, but we also have those left food from the weekdays. So we have a chef, but he doesn't cook during the weekends, so he left some food for the weekend. By the way, we have a espresso machine here, so I'm gonna make a coffee out of it. So one thing I don't have a control over here is caffeine, especially coffee. I used to drink coffee in Korea as well, but I had a control over it. But here I don't. I mean, I need a coffee to wake myself up and to survive in the cold weather. But it's not good for your sleep, especially when you don't have much sunlight. So from next week I'm gonna try to control over it, but I tried many times. I hope it works this time. The breads are ready too. Let's go eat. Cheese are ready, breads, butter, and this jam, we got it from Argentinian friends last week. So I wanted to try this. And this is natto for your gut. I usually don't talk much while I'm eating. That's why I always, when I'm with girlfriend, I mean, I don't have a girlfriend now. I broke up before I come here, but when I used to have, they always told me, just talk to me while eating, but I can't. When I'm eating, I just focus on eating. So, yeah. There's my friend. Again, people started to wake up because it's 10 a.m. 오늘 점심 없습니다.
아니 개인적으로.
개인적으로. Tastes really good. Okay, I'm ready to go out. Let's go. This 3 minutes walk feels like long in the blizzard. Welcome to our research building. It's warm and nice, cozy. Okay, this is my office. I told you it's cozy. 저는 오늘 남극에서 브이로그를 찍고 있는데 손 한 번만 흔들어 주세요.
와 유튜브 출연.
감사합니다. I feel really lucky that we have internet here thanks to Starlink, so that I can feel connected even in this frozen continent. Big shout out to Elon Musk. So I finished the meeting and going back to the main building. I gotta go train before the lunch, so should be in a hurry. My friends are waiting. So we changed our plan. We're gonna train at 4 p.m. So we're gonna have a lunch before the training. He's the best chef in our station.
만두도 좀 구울까? 만두도 나와 있는데.
I decided to do a ice bucket challenge. So it's gonna be cold, but let's do it in a blizzard.
찬물인가요? 찬물.
Ready? We got ice. I'm gonna mix up with the water soon, and let me warm up my body a little bit. So let me clarify, why am I doing this? The ice bucket challenge has made comeback this year, and my friends decided to nominate me to do it here in Antarctica. Yes, they are truly evil friends.
갑니다. 와, 아까보다 바람이 더 센 것 같아.
오! 주세요! 주세요! 화면에 나와? 됐어! 들어가서 본문에 기록하도록 하겠습니다. 야, 이거
보자.
그럼 진행하겠습니다. 들어가자. 우와, 왜? 잠깐! 안돼! 나 손가락 부실 뻔했어. So I finished ice bucket challenge. It was very cold, especially when I tried the second time. I grabbed the bar outside, and like it was almost stuck. Like it was like frozen. But it was good experience, pretty fun. I'm going back to gym and then train with my friends. Okay, let's go. So today's workout: deadlift and then AMRAP 20 minutes. And we're gonna do workout with 4 amigos. Okay, let's go. What does it feel like to work out in Antarctica? Honestly, it's just as hard. But as long as you've got some equipment and good music, you can be happy working out anywhere, even here in Antarctica.
하나, 둘, 셋, 화이팅!
Today's workout was as brutal as usual, and I think we are stuck in the gym. Look at the outside. I guess we cannot get back to the main building, so we're gonna do another session of ab workout. Okay. I hope the weather gets better by the time we finish the workout. going back to the restaurant main building again. So dinner time. Protein again, eggs, black sauce. 하나씩 가져가시죠.
식당 갈 때 무조건 하시.
Now it's 8:20 p.m. I'm gonna cut my hair and doing some sauna before going to sleep. How to get a haircut and then sauna in Antarctica. I'll show you. Let's go. This is our sauna and shower and haircut room.
And
Barber. How much should I pay? How much? 5,000원. 5,000원. Okay. I mean, I'm really thankful to my colleague. He cuts my hair every month here in Antarctica. If it weren't for him, I'd probably look like a caveman by now. So I'm gonna go shower with new haircut and then go sauna and then go sleep. So this was the day in Antarctica, the Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday, I'm sad. So it is what it is. Bye.